Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in Net Charts. This is the Market Beast. We're going to go over the two plays that we're taking a look at. We may have to scratch out one because we're not in this one. We're actually looking at it right now on the screen, guys. Zoom. So we're going to go over that other stock, Cpng. We're actually in this one. I'm going to give you guys a quick sneak peek on our post that we do. So if you're new, kindly consider subscribing with us after we go over the details if you enjoy it. So again, let's go over the specifics in terms of what I'm looking for in order to entertain a long position in Zoom, and we're currently in Coupang, and we'll go over the details, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Welcome in new subscribers. Let's dive into the charts, shall we? So today's November the 19th, 2021, and the current price of Zoom is going to be $252.94, slightly negative 1.1% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well. Let's put up the lines. Okay, yeah, that's like the only level. So $255.05 closed today on November the 19th. If we can get a close above that level today, then I would feel comfortable entertaining a long position. Although the original strategy that we went over, hopefully I'm leaving links to our previous videos where we specifically showed the Fibonacci layout, what we were looking for in order to entertain a position in Zoom. We exit at a loss and it moved up, and it's currently moving down once again. For those of you saying, wait a minute, why are you choosing that one level, 255.05? That's just theory, man. Just why are you doing that? Let me show you the reason why I chose that level. Remember, guys, I mainly focus on the higher time frames, and here's the weekly candles right here. So remember, we're looking for support to turn into when you're looking for support and resistance levels, I basically refer back to the previous sell candle. I think we did mention this on our last video or one of our videos. And if you focus your attention on this red candle right here, October the 4th, 2021, the close of this candle is actually $255.05. So right now, if I like put a horizontal line at that level, you'll notice that the sellers are following through with their obligation, and they're at least attempting. Okay, there's still more time. They still have like 2 hours or 34 minutes to close this active weekly candle. It looks like the sellers are trying to take this opportunity to fulfill their obligation and make a new low. Remember, guys, keep in mind Zoom, I think they have earnings on the 22nd as well. I think some say that, it's 150% gambling if you hold through earnings. I actually challenge that, but we're not going to get into that in this video. Much respect to you there if you're listening in. So the overall trend, guys, it is down. Okay, Zoom is in a downtrend. It's what I'm trying to identify as a higher low, and so far Zoom has not made a higher low. It's been making lower highs, lower lows. If you're just following me there visibly on the screen, so Zoom is continuing the trend lower, unfortunately for the bulls. And but let's just say, hypothetically speaking, because I do think that Zoom bulls do have an opportunity here to turn things around in the short term. Next week, if this is a buy-in opportunity that I'm simply not participating in, not missing, and there's no such thing as missing in my book. If I just so happen to not participate in this move to the upside, if we don't get the close above $255.05, and it does move up, the current the conservative price target is like $265 for those of you who have your own strategy, and this strategy that I'm explaining to you just may not fit what you have going on. That's fine, guys. The target next week will likely be up about 4% to 5% from the current level. That's at $265-ish. Okay, but again, if it's not behaving the way that I want it to, or basically the specifics that I just explained in terms of why the $255.05 closed, then yeah, I'm not in the market, guys, and we're currently not in Zoom. So hopefully that explanation is good, and we're clear in terms of why I chose, or the market needs to stay above that level in order for me to feel comfortable to enter. Okay, let's move on over to the next stock, Cpng. Okay, the current price is going to be $27.25. It's slightly negative 0.6% for the day. Let's pull up the daily candles. So we actually played this market. Hopefully I'm leaving links for that video where we played it from like $27-ish, and then we played it all the way up to like $30 and got out. So we're looking to play it once again. It's currently leaning on the 0.786, which is at $27 and about 21 cents. It's a penny away right now. Wow, it's moving pretty aggressive. We're in this market right now. So we've started with a 10% position. We're looking to deploy 90% more capital. Not our entire portfolio, guys. 90% of our position for Coupang. but we have not done it just yet. So far, it is setting up the way that I like for it to. Ideally, I would like to see a green daily candle close above this blue line, the 0.786, and that would kind of be an indication that there's a green light for this stock to move up to at least a conservative $30, perhaps within the next, maybe next week. If it takes a little bit longer, that's fine. I'll just give you the raise an eyebrow, aka the potential floor, and that would be down here. Technically the 0.886, which is 26.85, but realistically, as long as the sellers fail to make a new low lower than the previous red candle, and that's going to be here at about 26.58. Okay, so if the sellers fail to make a new low lower than this level right here, whether it's next week, 2 weeks from now, that's fine. Okay, I'm just trying to identify an exhaustion point in the market as the Coupang market, as we explained in Zoom. These are both counter trend plays, meaning that if I go long, if we're actually long the market and it goes against us, that's naturally what the market is supposed to do because the trend is down. Okay, trend is your friend. And one may argue, no, it's no longer in a downtrend. It's in a sideways consolidation. Again, I do agree. That's all speculative at this point because what must happen next is, in order to truly have a turnaround, we need to break above and stay above the $30 level. Okay, that was a double bottom there, higher low. And then if it breaks above $30, then that would be the starting point for a turnaround in this downtrending Coupang market. Okay, technically speaking. All right, so again, guys, I'm long and I'm saying that there's potential for the market to move lower. If that's not transparent, then I don't know what is. And that's pretty much the end of the video. You guys have my conservative price target, $30. The actual target, if remember, long-term investors, these levels are not for you. You just buy and hold. And for long-term, the $32 level, $32-ish level. If again, if the lows can be respected down here, then it's likely we should be in preparation to move as high as $32. That's as far out as I can see it. Let's give this price action a good full 2 to 3 weeks. If it breaks below that 20, wait a minute, hang on. If it's below the level of approximately, yeah, guys, 25.53-ish, definitely timestamp this part and leave me a comment. Say, hey, man, we need an update. This way, I know you guys are listening. I just want everyone to actually hear me out in the videos, guys. I spent a lot of time going over the videos for you, so I want to make sure that we're all just kind of learning together. I'm not an expert. I'm learning along with you. So let me know what you think is going to happen to the market in Coupang and Zoom. That's the end of the video. You have all the specifics, the critical levels, the time frame, and the, everything. Good to go. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would truly appreciate it. Below the video if you enjoyed the content. And leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video and the channel. Thank you for your support, guys. If you're new, we also explore the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kind of subscribe to the bell. We'll send that out to you guys momentarily. Welcome in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for stopping out. I truly appreciate that. Remember, always have a plan before you enter. All right. We'll talk soon. Always keep that positive energy. And bye for now.